Just loaded Siberian elm on the log. Haven't milled a Siberian before. Should be interesting. It's right around 9.5 feet long, about 48 inches, covered in burls and foliage. It's actually took it down and hauled it in this last winter, and it is still trying to sprout some new starts. This and walnut, they just don't like to stop. But let's put a tape on this end and see what we're looking at. You're right about 3 feet. Let's get to the operator side. Just shy of 4 feet there. So should be some good crotch figure. We'll see what the burls look like on the inside. Yeah.